of how to make a VR game. The last episode we saw how to do scripts from grip to trigger, creating hand models, and just now I'm putting an input action manager to the origin of our game model. So now we are going to do movement. And movement and turning, we're going to do turning as well. Movement and turning are actually quite easy to do. We're going to do ray interactors, which is like, so you can point somewhere on, like, it's basically like teleport
and move the player in that direction. Now, in my previous tutorial series, so let me show you. First, and add a locomotion system component. As you can see, it needs a reference to the XR.
Firstly, on the XR origin, you want to add a component, do locomotion system. XR origin, you want to drag into the XR origin.
Origins movement request. First,
you want to add another one called continuous move provider action based. Now for the locomotion system, we've just added that. Move that there. Movement speed, you can change that whenever you want. Attempting move, change that to immediately. Forward source, you want to do main camera. Left hand move, don't select the hand's right hand, you only want to do the left hand, because that's what most games have. Left, you want to do that move, locomotion move.
Provider a character, an obstacle.
You want to also add a character controller.
For example, the slope limit here will not allow the character to climb over a slope of 45 degrees. And the set of steps will tell us the maximum step height the player can cross. Personally, what I like to do is leave everything as it, but reduce a little bit the radius to something like 0.2. This will make sure that we are not blocked by all objects when moving around and make the movement.
The radius has to be 0.2. Oh no, 2. Oh my god.
Feel more precise. Finally, let's have a look at the continuous move provider action base component. We can already drag the locomotion if we in the gravity application.
Also, oh no, enable shift. Good. Don't do enable fly. Enable use gravity. Yep, should be checked.
Mode or all to avoid of the game. Finally, the next forward is and the direct camera to assign the Unity XR and move and with toolkit double click on XR and locomotion over the tree. Get this right now in new windows complete. The player not control the forward.
So now the movement.
There you go, guys. As you can now, it will be just a.
You want to change your where it says center, you want to change your y-axis to 1. Now,
the floor forward, talked about the falling state. Continuous move you around.
Once you test it, you will be able to move.
Is anyone there?
Snap turn directly rotate the whole record for your own game. So let's first click on add component and add a continuous turn provider action base.
Oh wait,
then the same thing, but
turn
this time
provider
with
action base and snap turn. Continuous turn. Oh wait, no. Snap turn. Snap turn provider action base. You want to only select the right hand on both of these. Locomotion system goes into both. Locomotion system goes to there. What else? So use reference, right hand. So right. You want to do turn, locomotion turn. Same with the other one, which is in there. Right. turn. Now you
Turn.
can switch between continuous turn and snap turn. We're gonna do a menu some point. I don't know when. That's probably gonna be in like part 6 or something, but we will get there. Scale, step, offset must be less or equal. Okay, so it might show up with an error here. It has just for me. So what have we done? Oh wait, character, step, offset, scaled height plus scaled radius. Scaled height. Oh wait, scaled height. So that's P2. Apparently, hold up.
On both, and that the name suggests, continuous turn or snap.
I don't think that error's like. I don't think that error matters, so don't worry about that. You can just go on
like
to
the name suggests, continuous turn slowly move you around, while snap turns directly rotate the you prefer.
Now.
So select both and with you and continue playing one. Works with it. Very so cool. Won't be leave play. Actually,
now
here to simply uncheck
is
or player is to actually something that we will learn. I will disable the do with this continuous movement is or XR does not move
if you want
a
to
little
test
bit.
it, you can.
And same goes for the
just if you want to use continuous turn, enable snap turn by just clicking there. If you want to use snap, click that. But we will have a menu so then you can switch.
Right. If I even if it seems like I can XR toolkit. So to the XR.
Also, you want to add a character controller driver, locomotion system. Oh wait.
As you can see, it needs a reference to the locomotion provider, so let's drag our continuous move provider there. Also, it has a min and max value that you can use to clamp the height, but in my case, I will simply leave it like this.
Just leave
and
that
just
and
like that,
height,
if we click on play, as you can see,
you can
it
go
works.
ahead and
now
save
the
that.
capsule is following my height and position
and
when
that is all for part 3. See you in part 4.